Police, open the door.
Come on with your hands on your head.
Get the fuck out of the room! Get down on the ground. Greetings. I am Herbert Erpaderp, and it's time for some more serious and sensible PUBG gameplay. Today we're keeping the island of Erangel safe by taking on the role of police officers, dispensing justice and whatever else it is that police officers do. Let's investigate this crate.
This naughty man crate. This is a bad... And then to go back around.
Officer down!
We got very lucky there. Very lucky indeed.
Swing by headquarters and pick up our next mission.
I hope the chief doesn't yell at us too much.
Yeah.
God damn it, Herbert! Why are there holes in the walls?
We sure did cause a lot of damage.
You're off the case!
You're up in my ass about this one! You caused $3 million damage!
No, you're out of line.
No, you're off your case. McGarnagle.
Ah, god damn it.
See any perps in the area? The streets look safe from up here, but you can never be safe from crime.
Yep. Doesn't tell the full story of the seething cauldron of despair that these poor people have to suffer through.
That's right.
We're here to make a difference. One filthy criminal at a time. I found a loiterer. You have the right to remain silent. Loitering is a crime.
Did you make the arrest?
Let's investigate this building.
Okay.
I heard reports there was a violent criminal in the area.
Was it you?
Well, I'm not there yet. See any perps?
Nope, no perps.
Official police issue, suppressed SMG, Uzi. Oh, there's a police issue Tommy gun over here. Do you want that?
There you go. I've got my 2 police issue shotguns.
Let's roll. Oh no!
Hang on, let me get that. That's level 2 vest in there. Level 2 standard issue police vest. I need that to clean up crime.
I think they're parked illegally.
You know what to do. Got a standard issue double barrel police shotgun for enforcing the law. Enforcing the law, enforcing the law.
You don't know what it's like. Just gonna quickly investigate this shack. There might be a meth lab in there.
Excellent.
No, meth labs. Oh, standard police issue. Mini 14.
I've got a 2 times scope on that.
I'll see how I go when I finish with this investigating this house. Not looting, investigating.
Yeah, confiscating.
Yeah, illegal firearms.
Upholding the law, upholding the law. There's a crate going down to the southeast. It's probably filled with crimes, drug paraphernalia. Really far away.
That's pretty far. That's out of our jurisdiction, officer.
Yep. Everything the light touches is our jurisdiction. What about over there? Nope, that's not it. Yeah, that's someone else's problem. That's Ipswich, we don't go there.
Or legally parked vehicle. Give them their ticket.
Clamp the tires. Oh, there we go, got it eventually.
That takes a lot more than like the old 3 or 4 punches.
It only takes 2 from the machete, but I just couldn't hit it. I kept hitting around it.
Well, you've got the appropriate tool. I left mine back at the station.
Oh no. I should stop that. It's my AK bullets.
Oh well, justice was done. We're filling our quotas.
Yeah. That's all that matters. Not that justice was handed out, that our quotas were fulfilled.
Well, there's a perp to the west, running across the field this way.
West. Ah, he's in the doorway.
Yeah.
He's come in the bottom.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law.
Don't kill him yet. Let's all witness.
They can watch.
See the boys in blue.
We all gather round.
I sentence you to this.
If they shoot our call once or twice, we dead.
That's fine. It's just... This is a good idea.
I'm gonna take this car and just drive for it, because I think that'll be funny.
You do that.
Job. Oh, you fucking cunt. I shot that fucking cunt in the air and nothing. Not one fucking scratch on him. Fucking bullshit.
Criminal scumbag.
It's called police brutality.
Justice is done.
Alright, I think this area has been searched.
Searched of evidence.
Warrantless search. Don't tell Sarge.
Sarge will bust us back down to rookie.
He's breaking my balls. These wind turbines aren't spinning, but there's still lights on in houses. How?
Immersion braking.
I can't play this.
Complain.
I just did. And you didn't even fix it. Not even a bit.
Complain to the developers. Everybody else does.
Yeah, I suppose they did take my money. They basically signed a contract saying they would make the game exactly how I want it.
Pretty much. I think that's exactly what they did.
What a waste of $30.
Shit. Fuck, this game's terrible. I can't even play it.
I'm a competitive police officer, role player. This game needs to be based more on what I want.
I do think they could add more police stuff. Like
Really hoping
uniforms and
that's
that.
you guys.
Yeah, it's me. I'm just parking the cruiser at the station.
Who's not ready to protect and serve?
Daniel. The newest recruiter. It's always the rookies.
Fuck's sake. He's only in it for the money.
Just out of the donuts. Let's get going.
Oh, no. Oh, lucky.
There's people here.
Where?
In the house. I saw in the window. We're
All we
making
gotta
an
do is
event.
rest.
Stick together.
Police, open the door.
Come on with your hands on your head.
Get the fuck out of the room!
Get down on the ground.
Fucking move! Die! You have the right to remain silent!
Read him his rights, boys. It's like Springfield Police.
We've been a bit gung-ho there. The chief's gonna be all on my ass.
He had nothing on him. Sorry, guys.
It's like an unlawful arrest.
Hang on.
I need the loot.
Quick, plant a gun on him.
Might take his police helmet.
Oh, he had a shotgun! I'll take that.
Evidence. Police, freeze!
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Ah, there he is. Somebody knock him down.
No, you moved down. I'm gonna go.
Ah, officer down!
Oh, fuck, another officer down.
Officer down.
I'll get you on, buddy.
Nobody dies on my watch.
Headshot from the wall.
Does anybody have any standard issue medical supplies?
I have some police issue pills.
I will take those.
Confiscated narcotic.
I'll sort you right out.
Oh,
Good
shit.
shit. Oh.
Officer down.
Police, freeze!
You see him?
He's down the hill. He's throwing fire at me now. He's to the east, just down the hill. Here he is.
Ah, officer down again. Bitch.
You have the
Nice
right
one.
to remain
Teamwork.
silent. Anything you say can
come
and will
here,
be
let's
used
quick.
against you in a court of law.
Quick, I'm almost out.
Officer needs assistance.
Me first.
Good job, boys.
Pull over!
Proceed with caution. Suspects are armed.
Cease and desist!
Oh shit, where am I getting shot from?
Oh shit, officer down.
Officer down!
Officer down! Officer down!
Oh, no,
watch
no,
out!
no,
Watch
no,
out! Oh!
Oh shit, I'm being shot.
Okay, we got this. So far, I'm doing bad stuff. Allah Akbar!
Nice work, mate. Whoever knows how to kill people with AIDS, oh man, that was good work.
So much salt.
Still.
He's hiding at the body, just right over the bodies. He's in the car.
Stop!
In the back.
You're a very rude man. I hope this teaches you a lesson. Ooh. Perps!
Oh no. Stay back!
That's the end of that one. There's men to the left. Another one.
My vehicular menaces.
I've got 3 kills.
Alright, we get out here.
No, let's just stay in. Oh, I see a boy crawling towards the car.
Your car?
Yeah, my car.
Why'd you jump out? Ah, there.
So we did make a few arrests. Some perps got away, but I feel like we really made a difference. The world is just a little bit safer for everyone because of us. Sure, it's a thankless job, but someone has to do it. Stick around for more sensible PUBG gameplay, and of course feel free to subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on social media, or watch me stream on Twitch. Or better yet, do all 3. And if you really like the things I do, please consider helping to support the channel over at patreon.com/Herberterpaderp. That would be very good indeed. Check the links in the description for further information. I shall return soon, so until then, you'd best be obeying the law. And thanks for watching. Farewell.